Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. Just having a little bit of a bonfire tonight. Taking it easy. Enjoying some libations. This is that stump off that real old tree. I'm still burning on it. Been burning on it for a while. What I did, a lot of this turkey fire oil that people use, got that and got it started and put that on it, and that helps it burn real good. But making progress and getting a lot of these limbs done, but I still hadn't even put a dent in it really to everything that happened from Hurricane Florence. And just there was a lot of stuff happened, and a lot of it I didn't share. But it's been a long, hard road back, to say the least. And not that I'm back where I was, but every day is another step. And just a not really cold night, but it's winter. And put some stuff on here and got it to burning good, and may put some more for the nights out. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.